Here we have a CVT transmission from a 2016 Honda HR-V. We suspect that the metal belt had broken because it does not work at all. Nothing happens. So now we're gonna open it and see what exactly is going on. Oh, we already see what's going on. The belt pieces started flying out. All of them. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Everything just fell apart. Completely done. Finito. Wow. That's a lot of pieces from one transmission. Yeah. All right. Well, that was an exciting disassembly video. So I guess these CVTs are not that good. This vehicle was regularly serviced at the dealership, and fluid was always replaced on time, and there was no crazy abuse on it. It was just a family vehicle for normal day-to-day driving, and this is what happened. Everything fell apart. Okay, well, nothing more to look here. Now it's just going to junk.